Every quality test begins with a reliable product. Before representative samples are selected for laboratory evaluation, Blockhead bags complete the final stages of production. Finished bags are cut, organized, bundled, and packed, completing the manufacturing process before shipment. Step 1. Prepare a Blockhead bag sample, a weight of approximately 15 kilograms and a scale. Place the weight into the bag, then hang it securely onto the lifting machine. Step 2. Start the machine and allow it to repeatedly lift and lower the loaded bag for 50 cycles, simulating repeated handling during use. Step 3. After the test is complete, inspect the bottom seal for any signs of tearing or damage. Finally, document the results and complete the test report. Finished orders move efficiently from the warehouse to container loading. With a production capacity of 5,000 tons per month, HAPLAST supports large volume manufacturing for customers worldwide. These certifications reflect our commitment to quality and compliance: BSCI, BRC, BPI, ISO, SGS, and OK Compost Home and Industrial. Today, HAPLAST products are trusted by customers across a wide range of international markets. Contact HAPLAST to learn more about our packaging solutions and manufacturing capabilities.